Hello and welcome back. This is lesson 2, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, website designing training. It's a 6 weeks training. My name is Mohsin Ahmed. I'm your trainer. We have done lesson 1, which was introduction. Let's start lesson 2. So we have been listening the word HTML. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So what is basically hypertext? What does markup mean? Now let's have a look. A markup language is a computer language that is used to apply layout and formatting conversation to a text document. Markup language makes text more interactive and dynamic. It can turn text into images, tables, links, etc. What is hypertext? Hypertext simply means text within text. Hypertext is a way to link two or more web pages like HTML with each other. Now let's move to forward some of the topics like HTML topics. Editor. Web page can be created and modified by using any HTML editor. If you want to create web page or you want to practice HTML, you need editor or app. Now the question is, which app, software or editor is used for? There is no need of any app or software. You need not to worry about it. If you have simply Notepad, everyone has on their PC, you can start writing your HTML code on it. But there are some fancy editors available to perform the same task, and these are Notepad++, brackets, code blocks, Adobe Dreamweaver, and the list has so many names. Elements, tags, attribute. An element is defined by a start tag, content which you want to put, and end tag, like that showing on your screen. Tags are bits that make up elements. There is a tag. An opening and closing tag makes an element. An attribute is a piece of code attached to a tag which supplies additional information like image, source and alt. These are the attributes. You can add multiple attributes in one HTML element, but need to give a space between two attributes. Headings. HTML headings are titles or subtitles that you want to display on a web page. There are 6 headings which are defined with H1 to H6 tag. Formatting. HTML contains several elements for dealing text with a special meaning. There are many formatting tags in HTML. The tags are used to make text bold, italicized, or underlined. Some of the formatting tags are bold tag, strong tag, I tag, small tag, delete, subscript and superscript or underline. Paragraph. Paragraph P tag is used to define a paragraph in a web page. An HTML P tag indicates starting of a new paragraph. Links. HTML links are hyperlinks. You can click on a link and jump to another document. The example of link tag is anchor tag. We have various attributes in anchor tags such as href, target. By using anchor tag, we can use variable object as a link like image and button. Marquee. Marquee tag is to support scrollable text and image within the web page. Images. Images to show the image in the web page. Images can improve the design and the appearance of a web page. Image tag is used to display image on a web page. Image tag is a self-closing tag. Some of the attributes are src, alt, alt, width and height. Tables. HTML table tag is used to display data in tabular form like rows and columns. HTML table allow web developer to arrange data into the same. Table tag to define a table, tr tag to define table row, td tag to define a table data. List. HTML lists are used to specify lists of information. Various lists are ordered list, unordered list. Iframe. The HTML iframe tag specifies an inline frame. An inline frame is used to embed another document within the current HTML document. Like if you want to embed YouTube video, you can use iframe. If you want to embed Google Map to your HTML page, you can use iframe as well. The head element is a container for title, style, meta, link, script element. The head element is a container for metadata. So basically what is metadata? It is a data about data, and it is placed between the HTML tag and the body tag, like shows on your computer screen. Layout. It is all about architecture of a page. HTML layout provide a way to arrange web pages in a well-managed and well-structured. Web page layout is the important part to keep in mind while creating a website so that our website can appear professional with a great look. If you want to achieve responsive layout, you have to use CSS and JavaScript frameworks like Bootstrap. ID is an attribute. You can use ID attribute in any of the HTML element. It is used to specify a unique ID for an HTML element. It is not a good practice to use same ID more than one element in a HTML tag. Input is an important element of HTML tags. The type attribute of input tag element can be various types which defines information field. Some of the input types: text, password field, radio button, checkbox, button, and so on. Forms. HTML forms. This is again one of the most important elements in HTML. It is used to collect user inputs. An HTML form facilitates the user to enter data is to be sent to the server for processing, such as name, email, address, password, phone number, etc. Emojis. It is not very important, but I am discussing here. Emojis are characters from UTF-8 character set. Emojis look like images or icon, but they are not. They are letters, or you can say they are characters. Symbols that are not present. Symbols which they are not present on your keyboard can also be added by using entities. Many mathematical, technical, and currency symbols are not present on a normal keyboard. To add such symbols to an HTML page, you can use an HTML entity name. Comments. HTML comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. The best practice of using comment, as you can see on your computer screen. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Kindly give your feedback on comment section and like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.